So let's read this question. What the question is saying that study the following diagram. In this diagram, the angle of incidence, angle of emergence, and angle of deviation has been represented by. You can check. This is y. Okay, this is y is angle of incidence. Y is angle of incidence. Incidence. I am writing in short. This p. This is p. Okay. This is p. P is correctly mentioned. That is angle of emergence. Okay. And this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. No, no. It is also correct. This is, if you take it back, this is Z, vertically opposite angle. This is Z, this is also Z. Okay. So correct is, what is the correct answer? Tell me what is the correct answer? Y. First they are saying angle of emergence. So P. Option P, either C or D. Just check. First angle of incidence, they are saying angle of incidence. Angle of incidence Y. Okay, Y means this. This option is correct. Option A. Clear? So if this diagram is I just want to make it big also. Just give me 1 minute. I think it is visible now properly. So already we have solved. Correct answer is option. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.